It involves the study and analysis of the soil properties at a particular site to determine its suitability for various engineering purposes. In the case of Connaught Place, Delhi, conducting a thorough soil investigation becomes even more important due to its significance as a major commercial hub. The soil composition in this area can greatly influence the design and construction of any building or infrastructure project. Therefore, it is essential to conduct a detailed soil investigation in Connaught Place to ensure the safety and stability of any future developments. Conducting a soil investigation in Connaught Place requires a comprehensive approach that takes into account various factors such as the type of soil, its bearing capacity, compaction characteristics, and groundwater table. The presence of different types of soil layers, such as clay, silt, and sand, can significantly impact the stability and load-bearing capacity of the foundation. By studying these soil properties, engineers can determine the appropriate foundation design and construction techniques for any project in Connaught Place. Settlement refers to the gradual sinking or movement of the ground due to the weight of a structure or external loads. By understanding the settlement characteristics of the soil, engineers can design foundations that can accommodate these movements without compromising the structural integrity of the building. This is especially important in areas like Connaught Place, which experience heavy traffic and high-rise buildings. Another important aspect of soil investigation in Connaught Place is evaluating the slope stability of the soil. The presence of steep slopes or loose soil can pose a significant risk to any construction project. By conducting slope stability analysis, engineers can identify potential areas prone to landslides or slope failures and take appropriate measures to mitigate these risks. This is especially crucial in areas like Connaught Place, where the land is densely populated and any slope failure can have severe consequences. Furthermore, a detailed soil investigation in Connaught Place can also help in assessing the groundwater conditions at the site. The presence of a high water table can affect the design and construction process by influencing factors such as dewatering requirements and waterproofing measures. By understanding the groundwater conditions, engineers can develop effective strategies to manage water during construction and ensure the long-term durability of any structure in Connaught Place. In conclusion, conducting a thorough soil investigation in Connaught Place is essential for any construction project in this commercial hub. By analyzing the soil properties, settlement potential, slope stability, and groundwater conditions, engineers can design and construct buildings and infrastructure that are safe, stable, and durable. Soil investigation is a crucial step in any construction project, especially in densely populated areas.